Hi guys, welcome back to tutorial race, and in this tutorial series you are learning how to convert from PSD to WordPress. So our next part is to complete this one. So latest news, okay? So for this, what I'll do, I'll just create one category called latest news. Sorry, not post actually, the category latest news. Latest news, okay? Just leave everything as it is and add new category. Okay, and then now let's add two posts. The first post maybe you know welcome to Kolkata. This is so rather than this, just I'll copy this dummy text. Okay, here, just paste it here, and then paste here, publish. Now let's add another news called Mumbai news. And again, just I pasted this dummy text. And one more thing, what I have to do is that just I need to click this inside latest news. So both the news will go inside, and there was another one, Kolkata news. We have to also take latest news. Okay, now let's go to here and let's find where the text is. So this is your center left box. So what I'll do, I'll simply remove one of these, and this will be looped through. So just let's write this code. So what does actually it do? It fetches all the posts from certain categories. So this is number of posts. How many posts it will display? We need to display only two, and this is the category ID. So let's find our category ID. That means so our category ID is latest news. This one. Our category ID is 12. Our category ID is 12. Okay. So I'll write here 12. So it is more of like how if you write in simple SQL query, then select start from category from posts where cat ID equal to 12, limit 0 to 2. So it is equivalent to this the above queries. Now for each this is in post as post and setup post data. Now let's close here, and for each and for each. Okay, so now let's see. It should display two times. Oh, for each. Simply just it will be all together. So now refresh it and it's working fine. Now the title and the text should come from database. So in place of this, I'll write here PHP the title. Now the title is coming here. Also, if you want to put hyperlink here, then just write here a href equals to php perma link. A close. Okay. PHP the permalink. Okay, so the hyperlink is also coming. So if you click, then it will show the details of that page. Okay, Mumbai News. Now this text should also come from admin. Okay, so right here be the content. Okay, now suppose if the content is more than this, say in Mumbai News there is large content. Okay, so what will happen? The design will not work perfectly here. It will be the design will get unbalanced. Okay, like this. So how to fix this? Get the content. Okay, dollar content we will store in variable. Okay, then echo substr. You can apply the PHP function substr, then dollar content. It will start from 0 and maybe 100 character. It will be displayed. So it is less. We have to provide more. Okay, 100 T maybe. Is because the tag might be not closing properly. That is why it is overlapping each other. So let's write like this: strip tags. This is also PHP function which removes the tags. Okay. Now it's coming perfectly. Okay. And this is the footer menu. This footer menu you can also bring similarly the same way you have shown the top menu and this header menu. Okay, our next task is now to fix the page section. For example, if I click here, then home is working fine, but for sitemap the design is coming differently. So first we need to check that which page we need to fix. Remember, in WordPress there are a few pages which are important. For example, one thing you should remember, the content which you add from post section that is loaded into single.php. Single.php. This is single.php. So you need to edit this single.php if you want to change the post section. But the content which you add from admin section here from pages, you need to modify the page.php, this page.php from theme section, then it will work perfectly. So what I will do, it's very easy. Just open this page, and but before that I didn't do one thing. Let me separate its section. So let's copy this and just go up to header section. So header is ending here. Okay, I'll just cut it and paste into header.php. This header.php. Just remove everything and just paste here. Okay, and in index.php we need to write here php get header. Alright, so it's working fine. Now we'll also this is left wrapper. Okay, left we will also put it in a separate file. So where it is ending here. Let's cut it. Left wrapper, just cut it and then open here sidebar.php. Sidebar.php, just paste it and here write get sidebar. Get sidebar. Okay, so again it's looking perfectly, there is no problem. And now we need to separate footer also. Footer wrapper, just cut from here to legs and then let's open here footer.php. Footer.php and remove everything, just paste it. So footer.php, now it should work fine. And here I write php get footer. Okay, now in the next video I will show you that how to fix these pages, these broken pages. Okay, so see you in the next video. Stay connected. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Don't forget to subscribe.